What's up, guys? So I've been testing out Google's Pixel 9a for about a week now, and honestly, it's pretty fantastic. But hey, it's not without its faults. Let's dive into what makes this phone so good and where it might fall short. Alright, $489, that's the price of the Pixel 9a, and it's the sweet spot for a smartphone in 2025. We're talking long-term software support, good cameras, solid build, and some cool generative AI features. For this price, you're getting a lot of value. But there's a catch. With deals and trade-ins, you might score a Pixel 9 for just $649 or even $549, so some people might opt for those. First off, the Pixel 9a is well built. It's got an IP68 rating, so it's water and dust resistant. The design, solid, flat sides, and it feels like a flagship, honestly. Plus the back's plastic, which is actually a good thing, less likely to crack than glass. The 6.3-inch display is so much better than previous Pixel A phones. Watching videos, scrolling, gaming, it's a solid experience. And the Gorilla Glass 3, it's holding up pretty well. No scratches after a week. The 48MP main sensor, it's doing work. For $500, the Pixel 9a takes great photos. The dynamic range is solid, shadows look good, and the AI is handling things well, like with that now playing feature. I'd say it's definitely in the good enough category for most people. 45-watt fast charging is a game changer compared to last year's model, and I've barely scratched the surface with AI. The Pixel 9a is running Google's Gemini, and the Pixel Studio AI, just cool. It's fun to play around with. Now here's the kicker. The 5-100 mAh battery could be better. Sure, I'm getting through the day fine. It didn't do so hot, losing 22% over 3 hours of streaming. It's not the worst, but it's not the best either. It doesn't have satellite connectivity, and wireless charging is slower than other phones at this price. Those are some pretty noticeable gaps for a budget flagship. AI still feels like a gimmick. Yeah, AI features are fun, but at the end of the day, they're just fun. It's not like they're changing the game just yet. So who's this phone for? Honestly, if you're coming from an old Pixel, Android phone, or even an iPhone, the Pixel 9a is a solid choice. It's great for first-time Android users or anyone looking to get into Google's ecosystem without breaking the bank. But if you're into cutting-edge tech or need perfect battery life, you might want to look elsewhere. What do you think of the Pixel 9a? Would you pick it up, or are you eyeing something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. Catch you in the next one.